नमस्कार मित्रों, आज हम हिंदी के कोमल व्यंजनों की बात करेंगे और बात करेंगे ए तथा ए स्वरों की मात्राओं के बारे में। टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट द alphabets that are called soft consonants in Hindi and about the symbols of A and A. So vowel A, here you can see, is used as a symbol above the consonant. The symbol in red you can see, and whenever we add this A symbol with any consonant, the sound of A is added to it. A की मात्रा शिरोरेखा के ऊपर इस्तेमाल होती है, जैसे कि आप नीचे लिखे शब्दों में देख सकते हैं. Here we have some words you can watch. Lay, la is with A symbol. They, the is with A symbol. May, ma is with A symbol. Na, ne is with A symbol. Say, sa is with A symbol. And K. So we have learned the symbol of A. Now today's consonants. Y. With Y we have in first column the words yah. Then the second word ye. Third word yachna. In ra column you can see all the words have the symbol of A with ra. Rekha, reth, rail. In the third column with la we have the symbol of A, lake, lena, lesh. With va also in the last column we have the symbol of A, ve, veg, vetan. And in the last line you can see some words with A matra, pet, pa has the symbol of A, maize, ma has the symbol of A, bare me, ra has the symbol of A and ma also has, sare, ra has the symbol of A, khel, kha has the symbol of A. Here we can see some more words with the consonants ya, ra, la, va. It is very important to learn the meanings and the pronunciation of new words when you are learning a new language. So, before learning the words, we will see the symbol of A. The symbol of A is also used above the consonant. You can see here the red mark. How to put the symbol of A? Whenever you put this symbol, you can add the A sound to any consonant. Like for example, you can see the first word here we have ma. In ma, S sound is added. Hai. In her, A sound is added. Then nan. In na it is added. Maidan. In ma, A is added. Phel. In pha it is added. Mal. In ma. In bal with ba. Pair. With pa it is added. Ter. With ta it is added. Bat. With ba it is added. Then jaisa, ja it is added. Paisa, with pa we are adding it. Naiya, with na we are adding it. Thela, with tha we are adding it. So this was the A sound, how to add it. Now you can see here some more words with ya, ra, la and va. The first column, ya, we have yakin, yug, yatayat. In ra, we have ran, rakh, rachna. In la, we have las, lal, lalsa. In va, we have vair, vaibhav, vaivahik. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, practice the pronunciation and learn the meanings of the new words you see here. यह सत्र देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. घर पर रहें, जिंदगी बचाएं, सुरक्षित रहें.